Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony Walkman and the model number is WM-EX570 and EX it means it's only playing tapes. These are some of the worst Sony Walkmans that I came across. It has certain issues about the gears inside that is suffering from one of those DD style Walkmans, that it has a plastic gear while in the center you have a metal piece, that these two they have different rate of expansion, and because of that they crack, and then the whole of this system is becoming useless. And since these are made from the 90s up to 2002, so it's really not recommendable. And these are taking one AA batteries, and this one I show you some images of this, that it has some the belt is really easy to change, but Panasonics, as I mentioned on my other videos, they are very difficult to play. And these it has normal buttons, it's auto reverse, stop, rewind and fast forward, and this function, with that function you can skip blanks and then change the quality of the sound, and then Dolby NR and auto volume level system, that is for ear protection. This has minor scratches, but these are not bought brand new. That's why it doesn't have the box and all the accessories in there. You can also connect a wall adapter, 1.5 volt center positive wall adapter in there when you don't have batteries, and it opens like so. And this is the bottom feeder as well, so the head is at the top. Unfortunately you cannot see properly in there, and this one is not working well because of that clicking noise as well. And if I put a battery in there, just hold on a second, and in some of my other video about Sony Walkmans, I mentioned that I show you now. Let me just get it. These sort of style Walkmans, they don't have any screws at all. So if by any chance your belt is gone, so the only way to open this is by those. Let me just see if I can find a torch and then come back. So I have my torch. As you see, there are 3 tabs there. So you have to first click out those tabs, push them inside, and then there are some tabs all around here that you have to gently open it, and then you can have access to the belt. Anyhow, this was good to explain while it was here. But these, they have screws. With these 4 screws, 2 here and 2 here, you can open it up, and then the belt, you can easily change the belt. You don't need to unsolder the PCB or anything. You can just easily change that. But unfortunately all the gears and everything is under that PCB, that you have to unsolder it to get to those, and then you cannot test it because, you know, the PCB is off. Anyway, we are going to play a short song and show you, you know, how this one is performing. Let me just see if I can find the picture of that. Here it is. The PCB is off. Let me just see if I have a picture of the PCB as well with the PCB. No, unfortunately I don't have it. As you see, this one is just folds back to here, and then you take it away, and the way to do it is just these motor connectors, unsolder this and those two. That is somehow like the auto reverse device. And the thing that I told you about is just this gear. The whole problem is this gear, and as you see, there is a crack there. You see the crack here? And because of that, this machine is making a clicking noise. And I show you, I put a battery, single battery in there. And something is interesting about these, that these are capable without putting a tape in to just play and fast forward and rewind. And just listen to the clicking noise. And this one is one of the most noisy one as well. Not this clicking. This clicking is that, you know, gear that I showed you, that it was broken or cracked. But when you change it, is, you see the noise? This one, it might chew my tape, but I play a little bit if I can. And you just put it in there. Let me see. And these, they have the inline remote as well, headphone. And they are all, it just has the hold button on the side and the volume and nothing anywhere else apart the eject. So let's do this. Ready? This one is not working well.
You even mix up with your teeth.
You see? That gear is causing all of these noise. But it does everything, you know. It does everything, but with loads of noises. So this one is really something that I'm not proud to purchase. So that's really it. This Walkman is the least favorite of mine in my collection. Not because of the you know, is faulty, is because it's too noisy, and you know, this door opening is too, you know, flimsy, and it is not really good. But the quality of it is not bad anyhow. So I mean, if you like this kind of, you know, Walkmans, by all means go for it. But I do not recommend this one for those that want to have this in their collections. Not recommendable. Anyhow, the price of this differs because it's very hard to find a new one, but second hand it goes from £20 up to £60, not more than that. Do not spend more than £30 on this. So that's my advice. Anyhow, this video I think is enough for this unit, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.